Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Eat healthy foods. Don't go outside. Stay at home itself and study well. Hope you all are ready for today's session. Yes. Now we are going into the topic. Our today's topic is secondary storage devices. In that we are going to see about CD, DVD, hard disk, SD card and flash drive. Before going into the topic, we are going to have small recapitulation about computer memory. As a human being, how we can store our memories? Yes, we have stored our memories in the brain. Our brain only instructs us to do some activities. Like that, computer also have its own memory. Memory is the basic unit of a computer where it can store data and instructions. Storage units are classified as two types of memory, that is primary memory and secondary memory. We have already learned about primary memory. In this session we are going to study about secondary memory. This is the block diagram of a computer system. That is, we have already learned about the input devices, output devices and the central processing unit. Now, this is the secondary memory we are going to learn. What is a secondary memory? Secondary memory or secondary storage devices are the units where data or information can be stored for future use. The secondary storage has a higher storage capacity as compared to the main memory. Main memory is nothing but the primary memory. We know that primary memory has a limited storage capacity. Moreover, the data and information which are stored in the primary memory cannot remain permanently. So, thus we need some devices where we can store the data or instructions permanently for future use. These devices are known as secondary storage devices or storage media. The major difference between primary memory and secondary memory are the primary memory is the main memory of a computer system, but the secondary memory is the auxiliary memory from where stored data can be retrieved. In primary memory, data and instructions get erased as soon as the computer is switched off. But in the secondary memory, data or instructions are stored for future use, even when the computer has been switched off. First, we are going to see about disk drives. Disk drive is a peripheral device used for the storage and retrieval of information on a computer. It also includes removable storage devices, floppy disk drive and optical drives that read optical media such as CDs and DVDs. Nowadays, floppy disks are not being used in a computer system. First, we are going to see about CD. CD is nothing but compact disc. CD is a portable storage device. You can easily carry it with yourself. A CD can store data up to 700 megabyte. A compact disc is an optical data storage device. It is used for electronic recording, storing and playing back of audios, videos, text and other information in a digital form. The standard CDs have a diameter of 120 mm and can hold up to 80 minutes of uncompressed audio or video. In CD, it can be classified as two types, that is compact disc recordable and compact disc rewritable. In compact disc recordable, the data once recorded can't be erased but can be read again and again. In compact disc rewritable, This user can erase the previously stored data or information, and then new data or information can be recorded on it in the form of small bits. A compact disk drive contains read and writing heads. It allows retrieving data from the disk or writing data on the disk by optical means. Now, DVD. DVD is called as digital versatile disk. It stores a large amount of data than CD. It can store data up to 4.7 gigabytes. DVD is used to store full movies. It produces a better quality pictures, and it is also known as digital video disc. It is a silver colored disc with a diameter of 4.75 inches. A DVD requires a DVD combo drive or a DVD player, which allows the reading of CDs as well as DVDs. Nowadays, DVDs are also coming up with the HD DVDs, that is high definition density DVD. HD DVD can store 3.2 times as much data per layer than a normal DVD. Now, Blu-ray disc. A Blu-ray disc can store more than a DVD. It can store up to 50 gigabyte of data. It is capable of storing high definition video content. This is the USB flash drive. USB flash drive is nothing but a pen drive. We have been using CD as a portable data storage device. In 1998, IBM came out with the latest portable data storage device known as thumb drive or flash drive. A USB flash drive, also a pen drive, is a form of reusable storage device. USB flash drives are available with different storage capacities from 4 GB to 500 GB. Unlike RAM, a thumb drive is rewritable and holds the data in memory without power supply. It fits into any USB port of a computer. The drive is small, of the size of a human thumb, and is a very stable memory storage device. We can save text, music, documents, and photos in this drive. The storage capacity of a thumb drive is 32 GB or more. It is an ideal data storage device because at a low price it offers a long-term storage. The next topic is the SD card and micro SD card. The SD card, that is secure digital card, is an ultra small flash memory, a non-volatile memory card designed to provide high capacity memory in a small size. It is more popular, stable, and versatile than a CD or DVD. The mini SD card provides the same benefits as the SD card but is smaller than the original SD card. SD cards are used in many small portable devices such as digital videos, digital cameras, audio players, mobile phones, and tablets. The storage capacity of these cards varies from 1 GB to 16 GB. Nowadays, secure digital cards are used in various consumer electronic devices and have become a common means of storing several gigabytes of data in a small size card. Even many personal computers accommodate SD cards, micro SD cards as a auxiliary storage devices through built-in slot or USB adapter. Now we are going to see about hard disk. A hard disk pack consists of a number of rich circular metallic plates coated with the iron oxide. The data is recorded on the disk through the read-write head, which resembles a digitally on the disk surface through the read-write head. A hard disk pack contains the rich circular and the disk surface contains a circular parts called tracks. Each track is further divided into sectors and form clusters when combined. The data is recorded on the disk through the read-write head, which resembles a record player. The information that comes from the CPU is recorded digitally in the form of 0 and 1 on the disk surface through the read-write head. Also, the information is retrieved digitally from the disk through the read-write head to the computer system for further processing. Generally, the storage capacity of the hard disk is 500 gigabytes or more. See, this is the picture of the hard disk. This is the internal hard disk and this is the external hard disk. Now, that's all for the today's session. We are going into the recapitulation mode. The first question is the list the two types of memory. What is the two types of memory? Yes, it is the primary memory and secondary memory. The second question is what is the secondary storage device? Yes, secondary memory or secondary storage devices are the units where data or information can be stored for future use. Very good. Now, the third question is what is the diameter of CD, that is a compact disc? Yes, very good. Diameter of a CD is 120 mm. The fourth question is what is the diameter of DVD, that is the digital versatile disc? Yes, very good. The diameter of DVD is 4.75 inches. Now, the fifth question is label the given block diagram. This is the block diagram of a computer system. Very good. What we have in this box is input devices, and in this place output devices, and the three boxes called very good, central processing unit, and this box, this is the secondary storage devices. Very good. This is the block diagram of a computer system. That's all for the today's session.